Your habits are running your life, not your goals, not your intentions, not the plans you make every Sunday night with full conviction, your daily habits. And right now, 5 of them are working directly against everything you're trying to build. Not dramatically, quietly, day by day. Draining your energy before it can be used, stealing your focus before it can be applied, keeping you stuck in a version of yourself you've been trying to leave for months. You already feel it, the fatigue, the distraction, the days that end with nothing built and nothing gained. This video names exactly what's causing it and exactly how to fix it. So let's start with the first one. Poor sleep schedule. Everything runs on sleep, your focus, your energy, your ability to make good decisions and resist bad ones. And a poor sleep schedule destroys all of it before your day even begins. Irregular bedtimes, late nights, waking up already exhausted. That's not just tiredness. That's your entire system running on damaged fuel. Fix the schedule. Same bedtime, same wake time, every single day, not just weekdays, every day, because a body that sleeps consistently shows up differently for everything that follows. 2. Extreme phone scrolling. Every minute you scroll, your brain pays a price, not obviously, not immediately, but accumulate enough of those minutes and the bill arrives in the form of scattered focus, constant distraction, a mind so overstimulated it can't settle on anything long enough to actually build it. Extreme scrolling isn't harmless entertainment. It's a daily withdrawal from your ability to think clearly. 2-hour maximum daily, phone out of reach during work, no screens before sleep, simple rules, consistently kept, because the attention you protect today builds the life you want tomorrow. 3. Avoiding difficult things. Avoidance feels like relief. It isn't. Every difficult thing you push to tomorrow gets heavier, more intimidating, more impossible than it actually is. And while you're avoiding it, it's draining you, living rent-free in the back of your mind, stealing the mental energy you needed for everything else. Do the hard thing today before it becomes the impossible thing tomorrow. Face it, start it, move through the discomfort, because the difficult thing done frees you completely. The thing you keep avoiding is usually the thing your growth depends on most. 4. Skipping exercise. Your body was built to move, and every day you don't, it costs you. Not just physically, mentally. The brain fog that won't lift, the low energy that follows you through every task, the mood that sits just slightly below where it needs to be. That's what a sedentary body produces. 30 minutes, every single day, walking, running, weights, anything that demands something real from your body, not for aesthetics, for the clarity and energy that follow. Because a body that moves daily produces a mind that performs daily. 5. Eating unhealthy food. Nobody talks about this honestly, but the food on your plate is directly connected to the quality of your thoughts. Poor nutrition means poor focus, inconsistent energy, a brain running below its actual capacity, not because of lack of intelligence, because of lack of proper fuel. And most people are unknowingly doing this to themselves every single day. Swap one bad meal for a better one, then another. Build the habit gradually but deliberately. Your brain will notice immediately. Feed it well, and it will finally start working for you. Now you know that what needs to change. You felt it watching this video. That recognition, that quiet discomfort of seeing yourself clearly. Don't let it disappear by tomorrow. Act on it today, right now, before the familiar habits pull you back in. One decision, one habit, one better version of the day you're about to live. That's all this takes, because the person you want to become is built entirely from the daily decisions you make when nobody's watching.